This video will demonstrate how to permanently install the skin stylizers into your Crazy Talk Animator software. So once you've downloaded the skin stylizers, which I affectionately call the unicorns, you will open them up wherever you downloaded them to. You'll notice that it's 18 of them. Once you have your folder open, go to your Crazy Talk program and locate within the template section of the content manager the prop tab. Here, if you haven't already created a folder called ToonTitan, you will need to create one. So what we're going to do is first we're going to right click on this header that says prop template. We're going to select find file. This is going to drop us directly into the template folder for our Crazy Talk Animator items, and we're going to navigate inside of that props folder. Here you can see that I previously created a folder called ToonTitan. This is mainly for organizational purposes. Feel free to use your own organization method, but for the time being, I'm going to go ahead and go inside of that folder. Again, since we're installing color stylizers, I also created a folder called color, so I'm going to go inside of that one. If you haven't created one, go ahead and do that by right-clicking, selecting new, and create that folder. But since I've already done that, I'm just going to go inside of that. Here I have previously installed my hair stylizers. I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to right click, select new folder. We're going to call this one skin. Now that we have a new skin folder, we're going to open it up and we're going to go to our downloaded folder. We're going to grab our props and just drag and drop them directly into this new folder. Once they are there, we can close this window and go back to our Crazy Talk window here. We'll navigate to the ToonTitan folder. We'll go to the color folder. Here you can see that we have previously created folders. In this case, we're looking for the skin folder. And there is our skin stylizers. You can change the view by right-clicking and selecting this option here. So you can toggle that to different views. I personally like having them nice and big so I can see the different color tones. But do whatever you feel is right for you.